Hello guys, we are here with the brief explanation of Dawn Editorials with brief explanation of vocab, words, idioms and figures and facts. The first editorial is Supreme Court's decision on Senate polls. The Supreme Court has declared in his short order on the reference sent by President under Article 186 of Constitution that election of Senate of Pakistan are held under the Constitution and law. The President in his reference has asked for the opinion of the court whether the condition of secret belt referred to in Article 226 of the Constitution is applicable only for the election held under the Constitution, such as the election to the office of President of Pakistan, or it is also applicable to the Senate according to Election Act 2017. The order issued on Monday makes it clear that the election of Senate is to be held under the Constitution, which means it will be conducted through the secret ballot. Now we come towards the difficult word, that is repudiation. That means rejection of a proposal or idea. The order then proceeds to quote a 1967 judgment where it has been held that secrecy is not absolute. It means that Election Commission is required to take all available measures, including utilizing technologies, to ensure that the election is conducted honestly, justly and fairly. So what is ambiguity? It means not clear, open to more than one interpretation, not having one obvious meaning. And vindicates mean clear of blame or suspicion. So now ECP will have to interpret the order to the best of its ability and combine it with discretion to decide how to hold the Senate election. Grizzly murder of Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi took place in Kingdom's Saud, Istanbul's consulate in 2018. Grizzly means causing a horror or disgust or hideous murder. Realpolitik means a system of politics or principle based on practical rather than moral or ideological consideration. Trampling means to surpass something. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia, and Hatis Cengiz, the Turkish fiancé of Khashoggi, still demands that the crown prince to be punished without delay. Tilde all the above impressions create the impression that the Khashoggi case is far from closed and transparent trial is needed to punish all the perpetrators. Our next Dawn editorial is Heritage Trail. The Prime Minister Imran Khan on Sunday in Jhelum district presents yet another opportunity for rehabilitation and preservation of our rich history. The project relates to 7 sites starting from Al Biruni Point at Nandana Fort, where Al-Biruni, a scholar of many disciples, is said to have calculated the circumference of Earth. The other sites include the Shiva Temple, Tilla Jogia, the Khewra Salt Mines, Mallet Fort and Takhte Babri, and grant of 120 million was provided for this purpose, but government still needs to look after these archaeological sites because UNESCO recently warned that Makli would be taken off its list of heritage sites if the government did not act on its recommendations for the Necropolis conservations. So it should also be vigilant in other areas and promote conservation while ensuring easy availability of modern facilities in places with tourism potential. Thank you so much. This is all about today's Dawn editorial.